This is a fit for a 2007 through 2019 and likely beyond Toyota Tundra CrewMax with a 5-foot 6-inch bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the LEITNER Active Cargo System truck bed rack. This is a heavy-duty rack with weight carrying capacity of 500 pound dynamic, 250 pounds off-road, and 1,000 pound static load capacity. It's constructed of high quality military grade aluminum, welded with precision, investment cast components, extruded and tubular aluminum. It's featuring the quad channel 60-inch load bars, as well as the quad channel top rails and dual channel bottom rails. These channels allow for connection of a wide range of accessories from LEITNER, including universal plates, awning brackets, rooftop tent brackets, and a variety of other accessories, including their gear pods in both standard and extra large. It offers excellent lateral stability with the side struts, which connect into the pillar. This does require drilling and RivNuts. There are no drill clamps to connect the side rails to the underside of the open bed rail. Crossbars are variable adjust. The rear crossbars feature tools-free turn knobs to easily slide the rear bar forward to accommodate taller loads such as motorcycles or bicycles or other gear that needs the extra clearance. Front bars can easily be adjusted as well. Maximum crossbar spacing is 51.5 inches. This product and the full line of LEITNER products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.